My son sells his handmade pottery on Etsy, and he's given me permission to show you the classic mistakes that he is making when he lists his products. This is like a classic mistake, and he calls it the Chino or glazed porcelain bathroom jar and soap dish set, and it is not selling. But when I go to his stats, which is down here on the left-hand side under stats, and I click on this listing, it takes me to this page. And this page is great because it tells me, number one, if anyone's looked at it and what is the search term that they use to try to find it or that brought them there. And they typed in bathroom set ceramic handmade. Then I went to bathroom ceramic set handmade. When I put this in and scroll down, Etsy is saying that pottery bathroom set is how they look at it. So if someone were to type in pottery bathroom set in Etsy, lo and behold, it shows up. So it'd be much better for him to choose a word that people are typing in.